2010. So in 2010, from those rails, we tore the whole, all new concrete, all new seating in the lower bowl, all new mechanical ice sheet. They're used to adjust the amount of outside air that's coming in. For example, if there's nobody in here and the CO2 levels being read here are below, 800 parts per whatever.
Parts per million.
Right. Then it says, I don't need to bring in outside air, I'm going to recirculate a bunch of air, save a bunch of energy. But when there's 6,000 people in here screaming and hollering, the levels go up. And so they bring in more outside air, and that's a way to, instead of just running a unit in a building, the heat, the energy.
So Rick, would there be more of a charge for that 19?
No, they didn't actually. We had to wrap it up that house.
There's another land back down here.
I think they got a reverse osmosis system there for the water treatment.
Those two lines right there. Yeah. For some reason, it is. Yeah, I mean, it's not unusual in a system like this. The bypass will change and then
You want to bypass the other?
I thought this must have been for you guys. Or no, take a picture of me.